Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare curry chicken. Here is already prepared chicken that I've finished killing. I'd plucked the feathers. Now I'm going to be cutting this chicken into pieces and then sauce the chicken. Enjoy watching this video and stay tuned. If you're new into my channel, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families, and also learn how to prepare your curry chicken. So here I have finished washing the chicken. I am now going to be parboiling the chicken. I told you I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare your curry chicken. So I have here, this is curry, Nigerian curry. This is Gino curry powder. I'm going to be putting this. Firstly, I have to pour in my fresh pepper inside. And I'll now put the curry inside. So I have to pour this in. I'll now add salt to taste. And I'll stir the pot for the ingredient to be mixed very well in the pot. And I'll also add my Maggi inside. So here is my Maggi. This is Star Maggi. Adding Maggi to taste. Stir it, mix it very well, and I'll then put it on the fire. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. If you're new to my channel, please don't fail to tap the bell for notification of new videos. Also subscribe to my channel. This is Ukeme TV. I'll keep giving you good recipes on how to prepare them at home and even for events. So here I'll also add ginger. Here is the ginger. Ginger is very good for the body. It's medicinal. It has so many cures. That's why I love putting it when I'm preparing things like chicken, pepper soup. So now, after stirring the pots, I'll now cover the pot and allow this to steam very well. So you can see here the chicken is ready. This is how to prepare your curry chicken. See how it comes out. I'm now going to be serving this into my plate. This is how to prepare your curry chicken. With this, you can eat it with white rice. You can eat it with yam, plantain, yam, cocoyam. You can use this to eat them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So here is the curry chicken. This could be used to eat rice. It could be used also for yam and plantain. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learn how to prepare your curry chicken. See you guys in my next video. Bye.